Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve features on AliExpress app. To know how to fix or how to solve features on AliExpress app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of AliExpress. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about AliExpress. If you'll find here updating this plus sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.